Now we'll again start with the basic operation on signals, as we have studied what are the operations that we can perform in any signal. The first operation that we perform is time scaling. Time scaling is the first operation, that is we shift either right or we shift either left depending on the value of the value of the number which is given to us, by which we have to shift. Now let us take it is alpha t plus beta. This is the operation that we have to perform on a signal xt. Here, now here we have a value alpha, we have a value beta. Now when we are performing time shifting, the value of beta matters. Now if it is x of t minus 2, then in that case this is entire t minus 2, x of t जो आपका दिया हुआ है उसमें आपको x of t minus 2 परफॉर्म करना है. That means if x of t is this one, if x of t is this signal which starts from 0, it ends up at t. It ends up at 2. Now when we are performing t minus 2, that means ये जो इसका entire t time period है उसमें से हम 2 माइनस कर दे रहे हैं. We are just reducing the factor 2 from this. मतलब finally when we are plotting x of t minus 2, it will start from 2. This is 0 from 2 to 4. The entire signal will remain as it is. ये 0 से 2 तक है. This value is 1. This value will also be 1. But the thing is, it will just shift by a factor of 2 towards right. मतलब ये right shift हो रहा है. This is only because it is t minus 2. The value of beta is minus 2. This is value of beta is minus 2. मतलब हम entire time से 2 value reduce कर रहे हैं. Clear? So it is now starting from 2 and it is still 4. Clear? So this is how it is shifted. If the value of beta is any negative value, in this case, if this is our general form, if it is any negative value, then it will shift right. Shift right, which is called as time delay. क्या हो रहा है ये? It's a delay in time. Delay in time means what? That is, अब जो ये आपका 0 पे स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ये xt आपका 0 पे स्टार्ट हो रहा था, right? But now it is starting at 2 time seconds. ठीक है? When it was starting at 0, but now it is starting with after 2 units. 2 units of time. Whatever it may be minutes or seconds, whatever. ठीक है? So after 2 units of time start हो रहा है, so that means there is a delay. So it is taking place. The delay will take place if the beta value is negative. Clear? Now similarly, if we have to perform x of t plus 2, x of t plus 2, that means we'll have to add the value of 2 to the entire t. So in this case, it will start from minus 2 to 0 and the plot will be x of t plus 2, plot will be this. Now when this beta value is 2, that is if it is positive, then in that case it will shift left. It will shift left. This is the left shift, that one is right shift, and this is time advance. Here, यहाँ पर time delay होता है, and here it will be advance in time because ये time से पहले start हो रहा है. It is starting before time. जो आपका signal t equals to 0 पे start हो रहा था, this one here it is starting at t equals to -2. So it is time advance. Now I guess it's clear now. Time scaling is clear to everyone. Yes? Is it clear or not? Time shift, it is simple. We have to just perform either shift left or shift right depending on the value of beta. If this we have to perform, so that is what we'll have to check. What is the actual value of beta? If beta is this value, t minus 2, if it is any negative value, in this particular case, alpha t plus beta में. Beta is negative value, we are shifting right, time delay. If beta is a positive value, we are shifting left, that is time advance. Okay? Now the next step is we'll have to perform time scaling. This is time shifting, next is time scaling. Time scaling is a little bit difficult just to understand. Okay? Now scaling depends on what the value of alpha. Alpha, if mod of alpha, we are taking the just magnitude of alpha, we are not taking the sign of alpha. Okay? So we are taking magnitude of alpha. If this is less than 1, if this is less than 1, in that case, it expands linearly. If this is less than 1, what is it? Agar less than 1 hai to it expands linearly. Now, if mod of alpha is greater than 1, it compressed linearly. ठीक है? So depending on the value of alpha, alpha की value पे depend करता है whether it is expanding or it is compressing. ठीक है? तो alpha if it is greater than 1, that is if it is supposed to 1.5, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 5, these values which is greater than 1. So accordingly it will get compressed. The signal will get compressed. Now if mod of alpha is less than 1, matlab the value is less than 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 4, these are the values. If these values are there, then it expands. Okay? So how the expansion and compression of the signal will take place, we'll see right now. Okay? So these are the points that we need to remember. First is the important point for the basic operation that we need to keep is the first operation that will perform is the time shifting. First operation is time shifting. Second operation will perform is time scaling. Third operation that will check the depend on the value of alpha, whether it is compressing the signal or the signal will get expanded. ठीक है? The signal compress हो रहा है और expand हो रहा है, depending on the value of alpha. So we'll check with these conditions and accordingly we'll decide. So these are the 3 steps that we'll have to follow. In the second case, second step, we have written either time scaling or time reversal. Now what do you mean by time reversal? What is a time reversal? क्या होता है time reversal? जल्दी से बताओ. Anyone? What is time reversal?
मैम x of t का x of minus t कर देते हैं.
Correct. X of t is given. If let us say this is my xt, okay, which is starting from 0, 1, and the value is 1. The maximum value is 1. Now, if we have to plot time reversal में x of minus t, x of minus t will be plotted as this is time starts with 0. This is x of minus t. The similar plot will be plotted the opposite side, opposite t. This value will still be 1. So this is at 0 to minus 1. ठीक है? ये आपका है minus 1 value. Clear now? So this is how we perform time reversal. अगर लेट अस से कि ये जो अल्फा वैल्यू है दिस इज -3/2 t. If this is alpha is -3/2, तो आप क्या करोगे? Yes, how will you perform this operation? You'll have to perform both time scaling as well as time reversal. Time scaling भी करोगे और reversal भी करोगे. Any of the thing can be done at any time. मतलब या तो पहले आप scaling कर लो, फिर reverse कर दो, फिर entire signal को reverse कर दो. Clear? So we can perform anyway. या तो आप टाइम स्केलिंग करके रिवर्स कर दो या रिवर्स करके स्केलिंग कर दो, दैट विल आल्सो डू. कोई भी तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. दैट डजंट मीन कि आपको एक ही स्टेप यहाँ पर सेकंड वाला स्टेप, फर्स्ट स्टेप तो टाइम शिफ्टिंग ही होगा, सेकंड स्टेप में टाइम स्केलिंग और टाइम रिवर्सल, कोई भी दोनों में से कोई भी ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. either of these two operation can be performed first and the next will be performed later. ठीक है? और एल्स आप इसमें रिवर्सल करके स्केलिंग करो, लेकिन ये आपका सेकंड स्टेप ही होगा. क्लियर नाउ? Is this clear? Time scaling and time reversal operation is clear. So these are the three operations that will be performed in any signal. Now let us just go through the numericals. Now the numerical is, this is my xt, starts with 0, this value is 1, this value is 2, and this is 1. Clear? So in this one, in this signal, perform x of 3/2t plus 1. So you have to perform x of 3/2t plus 1. So if we go according to our procedure, what we'll do first? हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? What we'll do first? Yes, 3/2t plus 1. Reply fast, students.
Ma'am, time shifting.
Will first perform time shifting. Correct? So कितना shift होगा ये? What is the value of beta given? It is 1, right? So it is positive 1. So in what direction it will be shifted? कौन सा direction में shift होगा?
Left.
It will be shifting left. Correct. So it will be shifted as, it will start from -1, 0, 1, and the signal will be like this. This is 1. ठीक है? So it is shifted by a value 1. Beta is 1 here. So it will be shifting left. Now after this, we have to perform time scaling. Time scaling कैसे होगा? Compress होगा कि expand होगा? Yes? Will it compressed signal or the expanded signal? Yes?
Compress.
It will be a compressed signal. Correct? It will be a compressed signal. But कितना compress होगा? कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितना कंप्रेस करना है? Listen now, listen very carefully. एक एक चीज ध्यान से सुनना. हमें क्या परफॉर्म करना है? Now this is my current xt. ये है मेरा current xt, ये वाला. ठीक है? ये आपका शिफ्ट हो चुका है. अब इस पे हमें वर्क करना है. वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन दिस सिग्नल नाउ. इस पे हमें ये स्केलिंग परफॉर्म करना है. ठीक है. सो इसमें ये xt में हमें yt परफॉर्म करना है, विच इज x ऑफ 3/2 t. क्लियर? इस xt में. क्लियर ना? तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी आवर फाइनल सिग्नल. yt इज x ऑफ 3/2 t और xt हमारा ये सिग्नल है अभी जो करंट सिग्नल है, जिसमें हम ऑलरेडी शिफ्टिंग परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इन दिस वन, फ्रॉम वेयर दिस इज स्टार्टिंग? इट्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम -1, 0 and then 1. So let us take y of -1. हमें yt प्लॉट करना है, राइट? So if I take y of -1, this will be x of 3/2 into -1. क्या होगा ये? x of -3/2. Do we have any value here at -3/2? Here it is going to be -3/2. यहाँ पर कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता है क्या x में? ये xt में?
No, ma'am.
No, we don't have any value here. So this is going to be 0. So when we are plotting, this is my y of t. At this point, let us take this point, -1. ठीक है. So here at somewhere here, I'll be having -1. So y of -1 value I'm getting is 0. ये 0 है. Now I'll be checking with the another value. At what point of t ये मेरा x of -1 होगा. ये मैं क्या रखूंगी? What is the value of t that I can keep so that I can get x of -1? What should be the value of t?
-2/3.
2/3.
It should be -2/3. So I'll take y of -2/3. Then it becomes x of 3/2 into -2/3, which is x of -1. Now what is my x of -1? X of -1 value is 1. Correct? X of -1, this is 1. The value is 1. So somewhere here at -2/3, the value is 1. Yt is 1. This value will be 1. Clear? Now if I check for 0, y of 0, this becomes x of 0. What is the x of 0? It is still 1. So it will be 1. So I have plotted y of 0. At 0 it is 1. Clear? Now I have to plot the another one. इसको प्लॉट करना है. Now let me take the intermediate value. अगर मैं कुछ intermediate value लेती हूँ तो क्या आएगा आंसर? For x of 1, ये वाला पॉइंट के लिए what should be my value of t? It should be x of 1, right? x of 1 के लिए मेरा t क्या होना चाहिए? It should be
2/3.
2/3.
2/3.
So y of 1, sorry, it should be y of 2/3. This becomes x of 3/2 into 2/3. This becomes x of 1, and x of 1 is again 0. So at somewhere here, this is 2/3. It will drop to 0. Now can we see the compressed signal? Here it's starting from -1 to 1, and now this is compressed to -2/3 to +2/3. Clear? So actually we have to just focus on one thing कि जो compress हो रहा है, that factor will be 1 by of that factor. ये 3/2 है, तो जो compressed हो रहा है it will be 1 by 3/2 and it will be just 1 by 3/2 is just 2/3. तो आपका 3/2 वैल्यू, तो ये आपका -1 वैल्यू will shift to -2/3, 1 value will shift to 2/3. Is that clear now? Yes? Anyone who is still not clear with this? The concept of compression is clear or not? Tell me fast, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now? Okay. So let's do another question. Same type of question, okay? The thing is, we'll have to just follow the procedure and the rules that we have written. First, we'll perform shifting and then we'll perform scaling. Okay? Now, let us take the another function x of t. It starts at -1, 1, 2, 3. This is the value 1, and from 1 to 2, it is constantly 1. From 2 to 3, again there is a drop. This is my xt. Now I have to plot x of 2t. Now can we plot x of 2t? Just give me reply here. Can we plot x of 2t or not? कैसे प्लॉट कर सकते हैं? Any idea?
मैम सिर्फ टाइम स्केलिंग से.
सिर्फ स्केलिंग ही करना है. There is no shifting at all. x of 2t ही अप्लाई करेंगे. And what is the value of alpha here?
2.
It's 2. It's greater than 1 or less than 1? It's
Greater than 1.
तो क्या होगा? Compressed होगा, expand होगा?
Compressed.
Correct. It will be a compressed signal. Now let y of t is x of 2t. We'll start with -1 again. -1 पे y of -1. x क्या हो जाएगा ये? -2 होगा. y of -1 will be x of -2. If we keep the value of t as -1, what is x of -2 now? What is x of -2? Do we have any value here?
0.
-2 में कोई value है? It is 0. Correct? There will not be any value for x of -2 because we have started with y of -1. t हमने -1 से start किया because our original xt starts with -1. ठीक है. Now if you keep x of t की जगह पे -1, 2 into -1 will be -2, and we know x of -2 doesn't exist. We don't have any value at t equals to -2. So this is 0. ये लाने के लिए we have to keep -1/2. If we are keeping y of -1/2, this becomes 2 into -1/2. So what is it? This is x of -1. This is again 0. This is x of -1. ठीक है. Now y of 0. This will be 0. 2 into 0 is 0. This is 1. So again, as we know that it's going to be a compressed signal. So it is starting from -1/2. Y 0 पे 0 है. Now we'll keep 1/2. t को हमने 1/2 लिया है. What it is it? 2 into 1/2. 2 into 1/2 is going to be x of 1. What is x of 1? It is 1. Now if I keep y of 1, it is x of 2. X of 2 is also 1. ठीक है? Now if I keep y of 3 by 2, 3 by 2 लिया मैंने. Now what is x of? It will be 3. X of 3, and this is 0. ठीक है? Now we can easily plot it. This is 0. This is my yt. It is starting from at -1, -1 by 2. यहाँ पर भी 0 है. Here also it is 0. But at 0 it is 1. So it will be 1 at 0. 0 it will be 1. So this value is 1, 2, and this is 3 by 2. What is the value at y of 1 by 2? Y 1 by 2 exists somewhere here. This is 1. So it is going to be a value 1. Clear? Now at this point, this is 1 by 2. It is going to be 1. Now at y1, y1 maybe it is still 1. Now at y3 by 2, it is 0. This one. So it's a compressed signal. ये clear है? The plot is clear. How we have got the values is clear or not? The steps are clear or not? Everyone is clear with the step? How we are getting these values? This is very important. ये आप करोगे ना, you will be easily getting this plot. ठीक है? So this is how it is plotted. Now can we plot x of t by 2? X of t by 2 plot हो जाएगा क्या? Yes, tell me if you could plot x of t by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसा plot होगा? Just tell me from where it will start and at what point it will end. कहाँ से start होगा और कहाँ पर end होगा?
-2 से स्टार्ट होगा.
-2 से कहाँ तक जाएगा?
6.
Yes. Y of t is x of t by 2. ठीक है? Now since it is starting from -1, तो हम y of -1 रखते हैं. Then this becomes x of -1 by 2. X of -1 by 2 will have the value. कितना वैल्यू होगा? x of -1 by 2 में कितनी है वैल्यू? What is the value at x of -1 by 2? This is the point -1 by 2. What is the value at this point? It is approximately 1 by 2. Correct. It's 0.5. तो अगर हमें ये वैल्यू निकालनी है 0, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We should have x of -1, right? x of -1 के लिए, if we want x of -1 here, what should be the value of t? क्या होना चाहिए?
2.
-2, right? This will be x of -2 by 2, which is x of -1, and this value is 0. So at y of -2, if we are plotting it, this is 0, -1, -2. -2 में it is saying the value is 0. ठीक है? Now at -1, y of -1, the value is 1 by 2. So at this point it will be here. And if I take y of 0, it will be x of 0 x of 0 is 1. We know that it's 1. So at this point it will be 1. This is 1. ठीक है? So this side is done. Now can you guess कि ये जो 0 से 2 पे constantly 1 है, ये कहां तक 1 रहेगा? It will be expand, right? Both the side. यहाँ पर -1 expand होके -2 पे आ गया. ये 0 का 0 से 2 वाला expand होकर कहां तक जाएगा और 3 वाला expand होके कहां तक जाएगा?
हम 2 वाला 4 तक जाएगा और 3 वाला 6 तक.
करेक्ट. 2 वाला 4 तक जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will be constantly 1 till 4 and it will reduce to 0 from 4 to 6. That's what. This is how the signal is going to be x of t by 2. Clear now? Everyone? I guess it's clear to everyone. Anyone has any doubt now? Time scaling and time shifting. Time shifting भी बता दिया मैंने, time scaling भी बता दिया है. Now the next is we'll perform the same operation on discrete. Now let us take x of n as this is n 0 -1 -2 -3 1 2 3. At 0 the value is 1. At -1 value is 2. 1 also the value is 2. At -2 value is 3. At 2 again the value is 3. At -3 value is 4. At 3 value is again 4. ठीक है? So this is how the signal is. Signal is xn. This is xn. Now we have to plot x of 2n. How we will plot x of 2n? When it is given in terms of discrete. Discrete में दिया है तो कैसे plot होगा? Again, the same formula is applied. We'll have to check with this value. ये alpha है. Clear? Now what is it? It's greater than 1. तो क्या होगा ये? If it is greater than 1, then if it is greater than 1, then the sequence will get compressed. Correct? So यहाँ पर definitely it will get compressed. So we will take y of n as x of 2n. ठीक है? Now we'll start with -3. Let us take y of -3. ये क्या हो जाएगा? x of -6. Do we have value at x of -6? No, we don't have value at x of -6. It is 0. So we'll take y of -2. -2, this becomes x of -4. We don't have value at x of -4 also. This is again 0. Y of -1. This is x of, ये कितना हो जाएगा? -2. What is the value at x of -2? What is the value at x of -2? It is 3. Correct. Y of 0 is x of 0. It is 1. X of 0 is 1. Then y of 1, it is x of 2. x of 2 is कितना है? Sorry, yeah, x of 2 is 3. 3. Then y of 2, this becomes x of 4, which is 0. Y of 3, x of 6, this is again 0. So, if we have to plot y of n, which is x of 2n, we are having just 3 values at -1, 0 and 1. -1, the value is 3. Okay? At 0, value is 1. At 1, the value is again 3. So we will be having only these values for y of n, which is nothing but x of 2n. अब यहाँ से इसका 2n में सिर्फ हमें 3 ही वैल्यूज मिल रहे, बट हियर वी हैड 7 वैल्यूज. तो ये कैसे हो गया? Anyone has any idea? Yes? Yes, anyone? No idea. Let me explain. अगर हम यहाँ पर आते हैं, if we want to have the value at -3, हमें n क्या लेना पड़ेगा? n क्या लेना पड़ेगा? For taking the value of -3, x of -3 की वैल्यू के लिए n क्या लेना पड़ेगा? Tell me.
-3/2.
-3/2, correct. और y of -3/2 हो जाएगा ये. And we need to remember one thing. In case of discrete, -3/2, -1/2, 1/2, 3/2 doesn't exist. In case of discrete, we don't have the values -3/2, -1/2, -1/3, -2/3, or 1/3, or 2/3, or 1/2. Nothing like that. कुछ भी exist नहीं करता है. We just have these values. Only these values exist in discrete. That is n equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ये जो भी है, yn कुछ भी है, but still it is discrete, right? So we cannot have these intermediate values. ये values नहीं exist करेंगे. If we are performing any operation on this, whatever is the result will have the values only at the integer. Yes, students, is this clear or not? Clear? Anyone has any doubt now? कि ये मैम ऐसे क्यों आ गया? When we have these many values at xn, why we are getting only these little values for x of 2n? That is only because we don't have the intermediate values, that is -3/2, -1/2. क्योंकि अगर हमें ये वाला वैल्यू प्लॉट करना है, x of -3 प्लॉट करना है, तो हमें n को -3/2 लेना पड़ेगा. And y of -3/2 is not possible. We cannot plot for y of -3/2. We can plot for y of -3, -2, -1. Clear? So that is the reason that we cannot have x of -3, x of -1, 1 and 3. These values will be completely skipped. ठीक है? Now, if we have to plot yn equals to x of n/2. अब ये प्लॉट करो, जल्दी से मुझे बताओ कि इसका आंसर कैसा आएगा. How it will be plotted? X of n/2. कैसा प्लॉट होगा? n/2 will be kind of कैसा टाइप का प्लॉट होगा, जल्दी से बताओ. It will be a compressed or expanded plot.
Expanded.
It will be expanded plot. अब मुझे वैल्यूज बताओ कि कहां से कहां तक जाएगी. n/2 है, तो इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू सॉल्व करो जल्दी. द वे आई हैव सॉल्व्ड हियर, जैसे मैंने सॉल्व किया है वैसे सॉल्व करो एंड टेल मी इन 2 minutes. आई एम वेटिंग, जस्ट टेल मी इन 2 minutes कि आपकी वैल्यूज y ऑफ -6 से y ऑफ +6 तक. -6 में व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? -6 with the value will be 4, correct. And what will be the value at next value कहां पर आएगा -6 के बाद? Next value will be at -4 पे. -4 पे the value will be 3, correct. Then the next value will be at -2. -2 पे the value will be 2. Then 0 it is clear. 0 पे 1. Then y of 2, at 2 पे the value will be 2. And then at 4 the value will be 3. And at 6 the value will be 4. That's very clear. ठीक है. So the plot will be simple. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 it will be 1. At -2 it will be 2. -3 it will be 3. -6 it will be 4. At this 2 it will be 2. 4 it will be 3. And this point it will be 4. ठीक है. So this is how the expanded plot will be if we have to plot x of n/2. Clear? The discrete is also clear. Now let us go into the सिग्नल एडिशन. अच्छा, पहले मैं एम्पलीट्यूड स्केलिंग बता देती हूँ. एम्पलीट्यूड स्केलिंग इज वी हैव टू स्केल द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द सिग्नल. सिग्नल का एम्पलीट्यूड को हमें स्केल करना है. ठीक है. टिल नाउ अभी तक हमने टाइम को स्केल कर रहे थे. टाइम को स्केल करना इज डिफरेंट एंड सिग्नल स्केलिंग, टाइम स्केलिंग इज डिफरेंट एंड एम्पलीट्यूड स्केलिंग इज डिफरेंट. Now let me take the xt as this is xt which is starting from -1 to 1 and the plot is like this. This is 1. ठीक है. This is normal xt. Now I have to plot 2 times xt. 2 times xt means what? How the plot would be? ये xt as it is रहेगा. इसमें सिर्फ हम 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. There is no shifting in time. The time will remain as it is. 0, -1 to 1. We just need to multiply the 2 times xt. ठीक है. ये आपका सिर्फ 2 times xt हो जाएगा. मतलब each and every amplitude gets multiplied by a factor of this. जितना दिया है. If it is given 2 तो twice हो जाएगा. If it is given 3 तो thrice हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So at this point it is 0. तो यहाँ पे 0 ही रहेगा. At -1/2 the amplitude is this much. Let us take it as 1/2. Now 1/2 when multiplied by 2 it will be 1. So this is 1. So at this point it will reach somewhere here. Clear? Now at 0 the value is 1, so it will be 2, and this is how the plot would be. The amplitude will get scaled, and it will be scaled by a factor of 2. If we have to plot 2 times 60, the amplitude will get scaled. यहाँ पर जो amplitude, the time as it is है, time आपका -1 से 1 ही रहेगा. There will be no change in the time. Only the amplitude gets scaled. Clear? Now if we have to plot x of t into 1/2, कैसा प्लॉट होगा? 1/2 into xt. How the plot would be? Yes. How the plot would be, students? 1/2
Amplitude
into xt.
will be reduced by half.
Correct. Amplitude will be completely reduced by half. तो ये आपका 1/2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है? This is the value. The value at 0 will be 1/2.